Cleanse and condition your hair and scalp with our potent shampoo and conditioner 2-pack featuring Mother Nature's finest ingredients like jojoba oil, oat protein, shea butter, and avocado oil for silky smooth hair and a soothed scalp. Fresh, manly scents. Maintain your mane with the energizing scent of pine tar. No harmful ingredients. Our products are 98 to 100% natural in origin, and we never use harsh chemicals or synthetics like parabens, sulfates, phthalate, or silicones. Naturally derived fragrances. Nature smells awesome, so should you. That's why we only use naturally derived scents and avoid the synthetic fragrances that smell like a middle school locker room. Formulated for men. You've got needs and we've got the goods. We develop our high-performance natural products specifically for the needs of men. Dr. Squatch's natural hair care is packed with the finest ingredients Mother Nature has to offer for silky smooth hair and a soothed scalp. We never use any harsh chemicals or synthetics like parabens, phthalate, or silicones, and our fragrances are naturally derived. Try all of the Doctor's manly scents, including Cypress Coast, Cool Citrus, Fresh Falls, Pine Tar, and Cool Fresh Aloe. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent all-around hair care for men. The Pine Tar shampoo seems to strip my hair of its oils, but the conditioner immediately moisturizes it and then some. My immediate family and friends genuinely comment on how good I smell after using this shampoo. Not to mention my hair is incredibly soft and fluffy afterwards.